Want to make sure you never miss a task deadline in Monday.com? Automated reminders help your team stay on track without manual follow-ups. Here's how you can set one up in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace or board where you want to set up the reminder. Then, click on the Automate button located at the top of the board. This opens up the Automation Center where you can create new custom rules. Next, click Create from Scratch. This allows you to build a rule based on your specific workflow. In this automation editor, you'll see two sections: when this happens and then do this. The first one is your trigger, the second is the action that will be taken. Let me walk you through a useful example. Under When this happens, click and choose Date arrives. This sets the reminder based on a specific date field. For the date field, click it and select Due Date, assuming that's the column tracking your deadlines in the board. Then, click the plus button to add another condition. Choose Status is something. This will allow you to filter out tasks already completed. For the status condition, select your status column. In the drop-downs, choose Is Not, and then select Done. This ensures the reminder only applies to incomplete tasks. So now, your trigger says when due date arrives and status is not done. For the result, select Notify Someone, and in the options, choose Owner. This way, the person assigned to the task will get notified when the due date arrives and their task isn't marked done yet. And that's how you create powerful automated reminders in Monday.com to keep everyone accountable. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical productivity hacks. See you next time!